In 2010 was the first prototype of the Wood Chipper Safety Shield. Prior to that, there's really nothing on the market like this that would prevent people from being drawn through the machine. What was occurring is people, and still occurring, is people are being pulled into this machine at an alarming rate. Being in the tree care industry for the last 45 years and knowing that the numbers of people are growing that are getting pulled into these machines, what can I do about this? So the Wood Chipper Safety Shield works through magnetics. We live in a magnetic field, and so what we do is we put aluminum plates inside the infeed hopper, and what that does is it cancels out magnetic earth within that hopper. And at the same time, the operators wear magnets on their extremities. I also have some on my ankles. And we do all 4 extremities because over 50% of the people go through feet first. But the magnets disrupt the magnetic field within that area and trip the device and shut the feed rail off. There's no other system out there like it. There's nothing else that will prevent the guys from going through the machine. If you're caught currently getting in a machine, you're gonna be pulling a last chance cable if it's so equipped, or trying to hit a bottom bump bar or hit a control bar. But the feasibility of doing those things is not very likely. The least experienced people are the ones that get hurt the most frequent. And one of the most recent guys got pulled in. He had 16 years with a company up in Northern California and pulled through the machine. And he's a very experienced operator. It can happen to anybody. Anybody using a wood chipper should have a device as this on the machine. So if you purchase a Wood Chipper Safety Shield from me, at this point, I would come to you and put it on. The Wood Chipper Safety Shield is compatible with any hydraulic in-feed wood chipper. Doesn't matter the make, the model, the year, we can outfit it with it and make the chipper safe. If somebody wanted to purchase a Wood Chipper Safety Shield, they can go online at woodchippersafetyshield.com. They can call me at 714-916-1660, fill out the information or give me a call, and we will turn around a quote for you within 48 hours.